Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now one of those should be a screen recording toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. And if you still don't see it, we might actually need to add it. So you just quickly make sure. It doesn't look like it's added by default. So we're going to press right over here on these three dots, and then we're going to select edit tiles. And we should have it somewhere here. Again, multiple pages to this. Camera, nope. There we go. So it's literally the last one. So here we can press on the plus button, it will add it up, and when we go back, we should have access to it on one of the pages. So for me, it is right now over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and this will ask for permission to a couple different things the first time around. So just allow whatever it comes up with. And then it will give you the overlay right over here. Now on the overlay we have a couple options. So we have the close button, then we have the microphone. So if you want to record your voice, you can add that up. Just tap on it. Now these two options are acting like as one, and they just bring up this window as you can see. And here we can record sound and we record microphone. So we can just change them up depending on how you want to record. Now one thing to keep in mind, if you're planning to record the sound of the device along with the microphone, I recommend using headphones for that, because the mic could be picking up the phone sound, creating an echo effect, which obviously would not be a desirable effect on your recording. And obviously the red circle is the record button. So I'm gonna now tap on it to start recording. It gives you a timer, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Now there is a little bit of a caveat to this. So as an example, this device looks like it comes with Netflix. So let's throw Netflix under the bus straight away, because Netflix has a little bit too much control over your own device. And you will see that in the recording. Now this isn't the only app that will do this, but it's the one that comes installed, and it's just a, a good showcase of what not to do as an app developer. So you can see there is stuff on the screen right now, right? So anyway, I'll just close this up, and I'm gonna now finish up the recording by just interacting with overlay and selecting the check mark right here, which will automatically save the recording. And now comes the caveat part of replaying this recording, which I have clearly captured. So we're gonna go into the photos, whatever, and here we can navigate to albums, and we'll have either screenshots or videos. Let's see. Okay, screenshots contains screen recordings as well, as you can obviously see here. So I'm gonna tap on it, and you can see it play back right now. So like I mentioned, Netflix has a little bit too much control, and when it comes down to screen recordings, it can just kind of completely block it, and therefore whatever you are trying to record will not be visible on the recording itself, as you will see right now. There we go. So we previously did see that there was content here, but on the screen recording you can't see anything. So there will be multiple apps that do this, but just wanted to point that out. Anyway, this is how you would record your screen on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.